Okay, hi guys. So Bob Reyes here from TurfSiteManila and Manila Bulletin Tech News. So we received this package from AMD earlier this week. So it's time to unbox it. So this box is so big that I have to put it on the floor. So what it has, it says that it's processor with Radeon Vega graphics. Pretty awesome. So this is box one. So I suppose this is the first of its kind in the Philippines. We'll be needing the help of my son to unbox this. So I'm with Robin here.
Hi.
That's him. Okay. So let's open it. Okay. So here, what do we have? So there's a Velcro at the bottom of the box. Okay. Open it. And voila. Okay. So what it has is a Ryzen 5 2400G and a Ryzen 3 2200G. How awesome is that? So the Ryzen 5, it says here, is an unlocked 4-core processor with 8 processing threads, while the AMD Ryzen 3 2200 is an unlocked quad-core processor with Radeon Vega graphics, both of which are the best in class esports gaming. So let's see what is behind it. Okay, let's put this one out, and you will see there, this is the Ryzen 3. Okay, so the actual processor is here. Ryzen 5, put that away, is here. Okay, how awesome is that? So we have two processors for us to test, plus included in the package. Okay, let's take this one. Don't need that. So that's FlareX RAM designed for AMD Ryzen platform. Cool. Okay. And of course, for us to test it, we need the motherboard. So this package comes with an MSI B350i Pro AC motherboard. Okay. What else? So the rest of the box basically paper. Okay. Serve as cushion for the items. So that's the unboxing. We'll be playing with these items over the weekend, and we will do some benchmarking, and I'll let you know, guys. Watch out for that. Out for now.